Most business owners want one thing: more sales. We live for that moment when our products sell out and we have to scramble for restocks. But what if I told you there's a way to sell out in hours, not weeks? It sounds impossible, right? Wrong. It's happening every day on TikTok Shop. Stay with me to discover how you can skyrocket your sales with live selling. So, what is TikTok Shop exactly? And live selling? Before we dive into the how, let's get you caught up on the what. TikTok Shop is basically a built-in e-commerce platform inside the TikTok app. It lets you showcase and sell products directly during your videos and live streams. Now, some of you might be thinking, another platform to learn? I just wrapped my head around Instagram. But here's the truth. Ignoring TikTok Shop could mean missing out on thousands of potential customers. Take Jamie's handcrafted candles, for instance. She went live once a week for a month, showcased her new line of fall-scented candles, and saw a 40% boost in sales just by using TikTok Shop's integrated checkout. But why does live selling work? Live selling is part entertainment and part commerce. You're not just listing products, you're chatting, demoing, and connecting with real people in real time. But how do you keep viewers from scrolling away the second your live starts? Here's the secret. The same reason we love reality TV. We get hooked on the real-time authentic interaction. It's fun, it's unpredictable, and it feels personal. So you know, those QVC and HSM channels on cable TV. They've been using this formula for decades, and it still works like magic. Now, imagine that power in the palm of your hand, with a younger, global audience that's already primed to engage. Now, how do you set it up? First, ensure you're eligible. It differs from country to country. You'll need a TikTok for Business account and compliance with TikTok Shop's seller policies. Head to your profile settings and look for TikTok Shop Seller Center. Then you have to plan your products. So list your products, set clear pricing, and upload crisp, compelling images. A well-written description goes a long way. Treat it like your digital sales front window. For instance, if you sell skincare, mention the top 3 benefits in your description, like hydrating, brightening, and cruelty-free. Then you have to schedule your live sessions. Pick a time when your audience is most active. Prime time in your region? Perfect. Make it consistent, like every Wednesday at 7 p.m. And let your followers know a day in advance with a teaser video. For example, if you know that your fans are most engaged on Fridays at 8 p.m., schedule your session then and call it Friday Finds Live. During the live, pin products to the screen as you talk them up. Use TikTok's built-in features like the Add to Cart icon to let viewers shop without leaving your stream. Example, if you're selling accessories, do a quick try-on. Show how a necklace pairs with different outfits. Encourage viewers to tap that cart icon if they love it. And then, create urgency with time-limited offers. Add something like a 15-minute flash sale. For the next 15 minutes, grab this product at 20% off. Watch your viewers scramble to click that buy button. For example, during a live for a new t-shirt line, an indie clothing brand offered free shipping for exactly 10 minutes and sold out 80% of their stock. If hosting feels daunting, partner up with an influencer or a friend who's a natural on camera. Their personality can carry the show, like that beauty brand who collaborated with a local makeup artist. That artist demoed lipsticks live, and sales doubled. You should also include audience interactions with Q&As and polls. Don't just talk to your viewers, ask them questions. Poll them on which color they like best. Pick random comments to respond to so they feel seen. I once saw a live where the host asked viewers to vote between 2 product colors by typing pink or blue in the chat. Remember the dress? The chat went wild, and it boosted the sales because viewers felt included. Let me give you a rapid-fire success story to spark your imagination. A small brand selling gourmet spices decided to run their very first TikTok live. They showed recipes, answered cooking questions, and pinned each spice blend on screen. By the end of the 30-minute broadcast, they sold through all of their new Chipotle rub stock. If you're still on the fence, that's like having a viral dance routine and never hitting upload. Don't miss your shot. We're combining the thrill of a live concert with the convenience of online shopping. It's like having Beyoncé perform in your living room and then handing you the merch. Remember at the start when I said you could sell out in hours, not weeks? There's a way to sell out in hours, not weeks. That wasn't just hype. It's happening right now for brands big and small. Don't let your competitors take all the glory. So, if you're ready to turn your followers into loyal customers and watch your inventory fly off the shelves, start your first TikTok Shop live selling session today. Don't just watch others grow their businesses. Get started with TikTok Shop live selling and let me know your results. And they seriously should change the name, it's a mouthful. And thanks for watching. If you've got value from this, hit that like button, subscribe for more marketing tips, and let me know in the comments which product will you sell first. And mostly, stay unlikely. Now it's time for me to go live and sell some products. Bye.